Here we go.
But if I get the slightest hint that a girl is genuinely listening to me, then all my ugliest fears come pouring out of my mouth.
Girls like a little vulnerability, but I don't think that's exactly what we're looking for.
What do I do?
Dump her.
That's your answer to everything.
Doesn't make it the wrong answer.
I'm not gonna dump her.
Dump.
Shut up.
I implied that he was boring.
Implied?
Okay, I called him boring.
No, making love.
Oh, gross.
What?
You make my penis want to invert inside my body when you say it like that.
It was like a competitive ballet boxing match.
Did you make sure to wear your intimacy turtleneck?
As long as it's a G-rated piggyback ride we're talking about here.
Yeah. The last 3 women I slept with were stacked like Bieber. It was confusing.
Preston still does his impression of my giddy about the Halo 3 release dance.
Just to be clear, that wasn't ironic high five, right? We don't actually like the double down.
Never had one.
In our vows, I'm quoting Lord of the Rings. That's non-negotiable.
You're a Facebookist.
I may not be Ryan Gosling, but an Owen Wilson nose ain't doing me any favors.
You, man, this is serious.
No.
Who's there? Interrupting.
Remember that time you thought you had, but it turns out you just too many